the Talon. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to Three River Blades. Today in this 90-degree shop with zero air conditioning, we're going to make the Talon. Alright, the Talon is one of my designs. It's made as a self-defense knife or a small utility blade. It is a 1/4 of an inch thick. It does come with a nice hollow grind and it fits in your hand very, very well. So stick around to the end. I don't sweat to death, and we'll finish up. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that presentation. Again, Three River Blades, go to the website if you're interested in this. This is 1095 high carbon steel. It comes in this configuration right here, where it's a hollowed out handle, doesn't have any scales, fits nicely in between the two fingers. Either way, if you want it that way, or you can use it as a nice skinning knife, you decide. Hollow grind, it does have the Three River Blades logo in there. All right, so take a look at that. All right, it does have a sharpening notch. It does have this piece right here, which would be considered the ricasso area. I wanted to make sure that your fingers don't go forward and actually cut yourself. There's no grooves on the top like my old design had, so there will be no grooves there. But again, very nice, easy to use Marshall blade or a utility blade. Again, you can flip over the Kydex. This will come with a belt loop if you want the belt loop. This is the universal belt loop. You can flip it over, so if you wanted it on the left side, you could put it on your belt. You could also take the hardware out and flip the belt loop over on the other side. So very small utility knife. I really like these. I sell a whole bunch of them. You can get them in satin finish. You can get them in subdue, which is this, or you can get them in gun blue. This is actually going to get gun blue, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Kydex sheath, all that stuff. You decide how you want to carry it. You want to neck carry it. You want to put it on your belt. Really small, lightweight, really good utility blade or Marshall blade. All right, guys, what I need you to do is to like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. It helps out the algorithms. If you have one of these or want one of these, you know where to go. Also, become a Patreon member. Only costs you $1 a month if you're interested. Thank you very much, guys, and as always, keep grinding.